Sheila, wat maak jy hier? Wie kyk na die kinders as jy hier is? Just go away from here. You can come into the house. I'm not scared. Wie watch die kinders as jy hier is? I'm telling from you now. If anything happening to my child, you're gonna see. Just go and hobbying and passioning. Stop it now with your money. Stop it. You must enjoy for you with my child. And stop asking me for money. Sy moet vir jou watte skaam. Just coming away here. And if you're gonna kniping my child, I'm gonna kniping for you. Just go look after the child. I'm relaxing. I'm gonna come fetch for him later. Don't make him for me cross.